All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. Hey, check this out here. We're actually redoing an older barn right here. You can see what we're doing here. You can see that, putting on soffit and taking out the old rotten 1x4 boards. You can see what we're doing on one side here. A fairly big barn here, as you can see as I pan around here. But you can see they got this side right here, but wanted to keep you abreast on this. But check out that soffit that they're putting up, and then also look at the fascia that they put on. So taking the rotten 1x4s, there's a lot of older buildings out here, older barns that have functional use, and we're taking this and we're gonna make this look pretty doggone good. So look at that. Here's just a little transformation in a half a day, or not even half a day, but you can see one side there, what that looks like compared to that. So what you could do instead of building a new freestanding structure, and you can always do that, but you can see what we're gonna have to do here on the gable portion here. And then if we walk around here, I'll show you this as well. But just something you could do, something to consider here if you have an older barn. How to make it look brand new. And you can see this guy right here, he did that about 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago. So see how good that looks, an older building, clean that thing up. Then, so we're gonna have to do a little refurbishing here, and then so a project here. But keep following the journey, like the video, comments always welcome, and until the next one, keep it locked loaded right here, Attica Lumber.